Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to pique your interest: the laziest ways to make money online for beginners. If you've ever dreamed of earning some extra cash without breaking a sweat, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore a variety of effortless methods that anyone can start right away, even if you have no prior experience. From passive income streams to simple side hustles, we'll cover everything you need to know to kickstart your online money-making journey. Whether you're a busy student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to supplement your income, these strategies are designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Get ready to discover how you can turn your free time into profit with minimal effort. We'll share tips, tricks, and real-life examples to help you understand how easy it can be to make money online. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's uncover the laziest ways to boost your bank account without the grind. You won't want to miss this. Understanding passive income. Passive income is a financial concept that refers to earnings generated with minimal effort on your part after the initial setup. For beginners looking to make money online, passive income is particularly appealing because it allows you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or focus on other activities. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade your time for money, like a traditional job, passive income can provide a steady cash flow without constant involvement. The benefits of passive income are numerous. It offers financial freedom, flexibility, and the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Once you establish a passive income stream, it can continue to generate revenue with little to no ongoing work, making it an ideal choice for those new to online money-making. There are several examples of passive income streams available online. Affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products, is a popular option. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, can also generate ongoing income. Additionally, investing in dividend-paying stocks or real estate crowdfunding platforms can provide passive earnings. By understanding and leveraging these opportunities, you can set yourself up for financial success with minimal effort. Affiliate marketing basics. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to earn money online, especially for beginners. At its core, affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This means you don't have to create your own products or handle customer service. Your job is to connect potential buyers with the products they need. For those just starting out, popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates offer an easy entry point. With millions of products available, you can find items that align with your interests and promote them through your blog, social media, or website. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. A well-defined niche allows you to target a specific audience, making it easier to create content that resonates with them. Whether it's health and wellness, technology, or home improvement, focusing on a niche you're passionate about can lead to more authentic promotions and higher conversion rates. By understanding these basics, you can start your affiliate marketing journey with confidence. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products online has never been easier, making it an attractive option for beginners looking to earn money. Digital products are items that can be sold and delivered electronically, eliminating the need for physical inventory. Some popular types of digital products that beginners can create include ebooks, online courses, printables, stock photos, and digital art. The possibilities are vast, allowing you to leverage your skills and knowledge in a way that appeals to your target audience. When it comes to selling these products, several platforms can help you get started. Websites like Etsy and Gumroad are user-friendly and designed specifically for digital sales. They provide a straightforward setup process, allowing you to upload your products and start selling quickly. Additionally, you can use your own website or blog to market and sell your digital products directly to your audience. One of the most significant advantages of selling digital products is the low overhead costs involved. Unlike physical products, there are no manufacturing or shipping expenses, which means you can keep more of your profits. This makes digital products an ideal choice for those looking to start a business with minimal investment. With the right approach, you can turn your ideas into a profitable online venture. Utilizing online surveys. Taking online surveys is one of the laziest ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. It requires minimal effort and can easily fit into your daily routine, making it an appealing option for beginners. Reputable survey sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer users the chance to share their opinions on various products and services in exchange for cash or gift cards. These platforms are user-friendly and provide a steady stream of survey opportunities. While the potential earnings from online surveys may not make you rich, they can provide a nice supplemental income. Most surveys pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, depending on their length and complexity. The time commitment is also relatively low, with many surveys taking just 5 to 20 minutes to complete. To maximize your survey opportunities, consider signing up for multiple survey sites to increase your chances of receiving invitations. Additionally, be sure to fill out your profile completely, as this helps match you with surveys that fit your demographics. Lastly, check the sites regularly for new surveys, as they can fill up quickly. With a little consistency, you can turn your spare time into extra cash with online surveys. Exploring print on demand. Print on demand, POD, is an innovative and low-effort way to sell custom products without the hassle of inventory management. This model allows you to create unique designs for items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, which are printed and shipped only when a customer places an order. Platforms like Redbubble and Teespring make it incredibly easy to get started. You simply upload your designs, choose the products you want to offer, and the platform takes care of production and shipping. One of the biggest advantages of print on demand is the creative freedom it provides. You can express your artistic vision without worrying about upfront costs or unsold inventory. Since you only pay for products after they are sold, the financial risk is minimal, making it an ideal option for beginners looking to dip their toes into e-commerce. However, while the setup is straightforward, marketing your designs is crucial for success. Utilize social media, email marketing, and online communities to showcase your products and attract potential customers. Engaging with your audience and promoting your unique designs can significantly increase your sales and help you build a brand over time. With the right approach, print on demand can be a rewarding venture. Investing in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a smart strategy for generating passive income while building wealth over time. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of regular cash payments, known as dividends. This means that not only can you benefit from potential stock price appreciation, but you also receive a steady income stream, making them an attractive option for investors seeking financial stability. For beginners, platforms like Robinhood offer an easy entry point into the world of dividend investing. With user-friendly interfaces and no commission fees, these platforms allow you to buy and sell stocks without the burden of high costs. You can start small, investing in well-established companies known for their reliable dividend payouts. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research before diving in. Understanding a company's financial health, dividend history, and growth potential is crucial for making informed decisions. Additionally, diversification is key to managing risk. By spreading your investments across various sectors and companies, you can protect yourself from market volatility. With careful planning and a long-term perspective, investing in dividend stocks can be a rewarding way to achieve passive income. In this video, we explored several lazy money-making methods that can help you earn extra income online with minimal effort. We discussed affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn commissions, selling digital products like ebooks and online courses, taking online surveys for quick cash, and utilizing print on demand to sell custom merchandise. We also touched on investing in dividend stocks as a way to generate passive income over time. The key takeaway is that each of these methods offers a unique opportunity for beginners to start earning money without a significant time commitment. However, it's essential to take action and implement what you've learned. The sooner you start, the sooner you can see results and build your income streams. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and strategies on making money online. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might also benefit from these lazy money-making methods. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.